Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today I'm doing my second part collab with PeachxPisces, and today I'm doing the air element. And this is what came out of it. I actually had to take an entire week of just looking up different different pictures and trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I had this solid idea in my head, and this is what came out from it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and please keep watching. To begin, I am taking Scotch tape, running it along my hand, and then placing it where I want it along my eye. I didn't want it too close to my brow because I wanted to give off an airy or a smoky wing end with the white. Taking NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to cover majority of my eyelid to the crease and to the end, and then patting it out with my finger to spread it further and to smooth out any lumps. Taking Wet n Wild's Don't Steal My Thunder in the white and my Morphe M441 brush, I'm patting this entirely on top of the pencil. I continue to blend this into and over the crease and along the tape to give a smoky wing-like shape. Again, I've been dwelling over this idea for a couple of days, and finally I tried it out and I just really liked it. But please forgive the redness in my eyes because apparently the shadow kind of went into my eyes and affected my contacts, so they're a little red. Taking Wet n Wild's I'm His Breezy in the lightest blue, I'm going to apply this with a tiny brush along the top of my crease and along the smoky wing. I do this intentionally getting this in the white so it blends out like an airy blue airbrush appeal. I blend this out with both my small brush and the crease brush. The crease brush. After taking off the tape, I am taking Forever Lit from Nicole Guerriero's Glow Kit and patting this on top of the white on the eyelid. You can use any white highlighter to do this. This was only the white one I had. You can also just spray your brush and place white eyeshadow on top of it as well, but I feel like the highlighter gives us something more than eyeshadow does. Taking the same shade of white, I'm going to line majority of my lower lid with it. I don't show the shade, but I'm using the gray from Don't Steal My Thunder to blend at the end of my lower lid. The gemstones I am using are the silver white small ones from Walmart for $1. They are the adhesive ones, but I am still going to put on some falsie glue on the back just to make sure they stick all day. After this, I'm going to place one under the inner corner of my lid and one just above the wing at the end of my eye. Going back to Forever Lit, I am going to just add the highlight around the jewels that are under that tear duct, following along the tear duct highlight. Taking the white from Don't Steal My Thunder, I'm going to brush this along my brow bone. For my bottom lashes, I'm using NYX Mascara in Mint, and for the top lashes, I'm using Blink Black Lash Primer in Jet Black. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Blowout Lashes in Page Boy. Taking Forever Lit, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and up to my temples. Before this, I only contoured and added no blush whatsoever to give more of a strobe or airy type of look. I also highlight my nose. I bought this lipstick purposely for this look. It is CoverGirl's Metallic Lipstick in Flushed. And that is it. It is quite simple with a lot of kind of steps, but with the same kind of products all in one. So I hope that it's easy for you guys to follow if you want to. It's definitely different from going out, with your average makeup, but it's still fun to try and maybe play with and maybe even go to a party with it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please go check out PeachxPisces because she does great makeup as well. She's doing the fire and earth elements, so check her out. She'll be also posting on Tuesdays. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up so I can hit that algorithm and be seen more by people who are also interested in my videos. Have a good day.